Amigos, estamos con Hautlence y traen una pieza que me llevó a mi infancia otra vez. Thank you for having us today.
Thank you.
And I would really like for you to explain, first of all, to tell us who you are, what you do, and to explain this beautiful piece.
So I'm the new brand manager of Hautlence. Just started 2 months ago.
Nice.
In that new adventure. And when I saw that little guy, I was very excited because it's so out of the box.
It's different.
It's totally different. We're playing with nostalgia. That's the reason why the name is Retrovision 85. It's a toy watch, inspired by a toy watch.
Yes.
That everyone has in mind. You showed me yours.
Yes,
So I'm very happy because we had a lot of people writing us and showing us their toy watch, and they are very amazed. Obviously it's not for everyone because it's limited to 8 pieces, but we are very excited to show it to the world, and we try to have everyone smile when they look at our watches. That's our main goal.
The thing is that, like, when I see a watch, I would love for every watch to be a toy watch. Like, you want to feel it, and you have this thing where with most watches you don't have direct contact with it. There is no interaction between the user and the watch,
yeah.
Right? Like, the only thing you can do with most watches is you set the time, and that's it.
Yeah.
Maybe if it's a dive watch, you turn the bezel, and that's it. But this is a whole new, different experience.
Oh yeah, of course. So I don't know if we want to show
Yes.
how it
The
works.
main thing.
So it's very interesting how we came to the idea. So it's 3D printed in titanium, and we have here 2 locks, and then you can deploy the little guy, and he's just coming out.
Wow.
And then you have here on the back to get the arms out and the feet. And then you have him here staying, and here he stands. Here he is.
So it has 3 uses. It's first a wristwatch.
Exactly.
Second, it's a toy.
Yes.
And third, it could work as a desk watch, a clock.
Of course, yeah, it has many functions. I think especially clients with kids, I think this is going to be a fun piece, and especially if you're with friends around and you just take it out.
Yes, it's a conversational piece.
Yes.
It's one of those ideas that when you see it, you go, why didn't I think of that before?
And it's true, like, you know, so many good ideas are around the corner, especially the Miller brothers thought about that. They always loved the toy watch, so they thought, why not make a high watchmaking piece of that?
Exactly.
And that's the result, and I think it has potential to create further pieces as well, in different maybe different colors, or different materials. Now we are with titanium, and I mean, look at this guy. He looks just handsome.
It's amazing. I think it's equivalent when you're young and you have a Hot Wheels, but then you grow up and you buy a Lamborghini. I think it's kind of the same. You see this and it's like, wow, I remember my childhood.
I think when you're a child, everything is new. And imagine you receive that toy watch then. And now we play with that feeling, and we hope that the clients, when they have that on their wrist, they have the same feeling as they were young.
Yes.
And I think right now, it was a pure success.
This seems like a pure success kind of watch. Congratulations, this is amazing. I could say this is one of the most creative watches I've seen in a very, very long time. I wish you all the success.
Thank you.
For you and for the brand. And déjenme en los comentarios qué opinan de esta increíble pieza. Y pues, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Amazing.